Hey guys, welcome to day 3 of Curlmas. If you haven't watched day 1 and 2, make sure you go out and go watch those 2 videos. So today we're going to be doing a hair wrap hairstyle, I'm sure as you've seen by the thumbnail. So I'm going to be putting eco gel around the perimeter of my head. This is the green one, the olive oil version. So I'm just adding that gel around the perimeter of my head and I'm going to brush that up. Once I get my hair in the secured ponytail, I am going to separate some of my curls and fluff my hair out a little bit with my hands just to give me some fullness. This is just the pre-fluff. We're definitely going to come back later on and do this again. So off camera, I decided to put the top of my ponytail into a second ponytail just to make the base of my ponytail a little bit thinner and easier to put the head wrap on. I did try the head wrap a couple of times. It didn't work out. So here I am just brushing my hair back down with my edge brush. This just made it smoother than it was before. So right here, you will see that I am not perfect. I tried this hair wrap about 30 times, like I'm not even playing. And I just could not get it to stay. So I just wanted to show you guys that every hairstyle is not perfect. Like literally just stay focused and it will work out. But I just kept sliding up and it was nonsense, so. I was literally getting so frustrated, like I was laughing, trying not to cry, but in the end I had a couple tears shed, but we got right back into it. So here we go. So what I did to get my hair wrap to stay is came around the back of my head and then I just crossed the 2 sides. You don't want to tie a knot because it might make your hair wrap too short. In my case, that was the problem. So I'm starting on one side, just twisting very, very tightly, bringing it around my head, and then I'm going to loop this one on top. Let's move this piece out the way. I'm going to loop this one on top of itself and tuck it in. It's very important to twist tightly because if you don't, it will not secure the ends. So you can see that my twist was very tight, so when I'm putting my end in there, it's staying very firm. So we're going to start twisting again, and we're going to do the same thing. When we come back around, we're going to tuck it into that same place, but at the bottom. So now we're beginning to tuck at the bottom, and this is actually a scarf, so it has those little straggly pieces at the bottom. So I'm just making sure that I tuck those very well so they're not sticking out. So we slid the headband back, it stayed firm, and then you can go ahead and lay your edges in the front. I do like to have little curls on the side, so I'm pulling out 2 sideburn curls and I'm just wrapping them around my finger so they have some definition. Then of course my favorite part, so I'm going in with my pick just to give us a little bit more volume, and then I also went in with my blow dryer just to add some length and fullness. And that's pretty much it for day 3 of Curlmas. This is my favorite hairstyle so far. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to come back tomorrow for the next episode of Curlmas.